Here is the Highline RCH hydro mower. Today I will step through the process of changing the cutting blades. Ensure the tractor is in the park position and the engine has been turned off. Inspect the blades daily for wear or damage. Replace the blades if the tip or leading edge is worn so that only 2 inches of the blade remains. Blades must be changed in sets. First, have the mower sitting on level ground in the transport position with all the locks installed. Highline uses 2 different direction of blades on this mower, so replace the blades in the proper orientation. Start by removing the blade bolt nut on the top of the pan. This nut can be accessed through the hole on the top of the deck. Do not fully remove the nut until you are in a position to secure the blade from dropping down. Once the nut is off, remove the bolt and blade. The bolt may be reused if in good condition. Replace the nut with a new one once it has been removed. Place new blade on and place the bolt back in the bolt hole. The bolt has a spherical shape and is easily placed back into the hole. Retighten the new nut to 600 foot-pounds. The same process is repeated for all blades.